Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make YouTube short on Capcut PC. So first step you need to do is to open Capcut and import your clips. So I'm going to import this clip for example. Okay, so paste it here and I want to create a short. So this is the video that is in the YouTube format. So you simply need to click here ratio and you simply need to select from 16:9 to 9:16. So that video will be in the TikTok format, and from here you need to scale the clip so that it will be adjust into the format of shorts. Okay, and you can position that as well, so it will work. If we are going to choose 392, make it a little bit smaller so that it will adjust. Once you adjust it, you can add effects from here, you can add transitions from here, stickers from here, and let's suppose I add a sticker here. You click here and after that a sticker will be added. Here you can see, and once you complete editing you simply need to click on export and select a location, and from here you need to select the resolution. You can export up to 4K and click on export. So this is the process that you need to follow to make YouTube short on CapCut PC. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.